Welcome back to Guitalele tutorials. You might be wondering what am I doing with an ukulele. Okay, so this is a finger picking lesson, and this particular pattern can be played on both ukulele and guitalele because this is a 4-string pattern that we are going to learn today. Hopefully now you can see the strings better. I have switched to guitalele, but this pattern can be played on ukulele as well because we are not going to use the top 2 strings. The counting for this particular pattern is 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so you can practice a few more times. It's 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. The note on the count 1 is played on the 4th string. The note on the count 2 is played on the 3rd string. So it becomes 1, 2. Okay. Now the N part after the 2, it is played on the 2nd string. So it is becoming 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 1, 2 and. Take a closer look. So it is 1, 2 and 1, 2 and. Okay. Now the 3 again is played on the 4th string. Okay. So till now it becomes 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now the N again after the 3, it is played on the 3rd string. So this becomes, okay, 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and the 4 is played on this 3rd string and the last N is played on the 2nd string. So it's becoming 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. To simplify things, what you can remember is that 1 and 3 on the 4th string, 2 and 4 on the 3rd string, and the count N's are on the 2nd string. So string number 1, string number 5 and string number 6 are not used in this pattern. So it is becoming 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. You can play this pattern with any chord progression where 4x4 pattern is being used and this one suits. So like I played it in the intro part of this video. So I played mostly A minor, C and F major chord. So you can even go through that and you can employ this. So I think you got one more tool on your arsenal. Happy playing.